Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to check the insurance of a vehicle online. So what you can do is just open up your browser or laptop or mobile or PC, and once you open this, just go to Google and search here online vehicle insurance check. And once you search this, press enter on the Google, and once you search this on the Google, so you will be seeing different websites than mine, as like these are the websites that are available in my country. So every country has their own websites, and they're like different districts or like divisions within the country. So there are like different websites, and you just need to open the website according to your country, like what website is available in your country. For example, this is like my website, the first one, or let's say this is the second website that I open. As you can see, like excise.gos.pk. So this is my website, as I am from Pakistan, so this is the website from my country. And once you search this section, like you will be seeing this kind of home section. As you can see, like four wheelers, so you can just enter the registration number. So your process will be also similar as mine, so you can select either two wheelers or four wheelers and just write down the like registration number on your vehicle. And once you write this down, just click on I am not a robot and just click on search, and after that you will be able to verify or check the insurance of your vehicle as well. So the second step is, if you want to try, just let's say that you just write this down, online vehicle insurance check, and after this just write down the name of your country, either you're from UK or you are just from USA. So just write down the name of your country and press enter, and as you can see, like now my websites has been changed. So you can just open up any of the websites that works best for you and write down your country. And once you write down your country, search and enter, like open the first or second website, and you will be able to check it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can check the online vehicle insurance.